me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If this is not my first video that you've watched, then admit it, you are enjoying it here and you might as well subscribe below. Okay guys, so for this video, it is going to be a two-part grocery haul. So reason it's going to be two parts because I don't know how to pay attention when I'm checking out with groceries. So I ordered my grocery, first orders here. Okay, I'll make it really quick. When I first ordered my groceries on Amazon, I didn't realize that half of the food was in the Amazon Fresh cart and half was in the Whole Foods cart. And then when I checked out, I only checked out to one of them. So then when I went to check and see where my order was, I realized that I only checked out half of my order. So I had to go reorder. So I just got a delivery right now, and then in 2 hours I'm getting the second one. So I'm gonna go get this one, so you guys can hear me because my dogs are going crazy. Okay, so I just brought in all the food, but actually our Molly Maid cleaning people are here, so this is gonna have to wait. Hey guys, okay, so where we last left off, so basically right as the groceries arrived, I opened the door and the company Molly Maids, we have them come every other week to clean our house, and I forgot that today was the day. And so I opened the door to bring in my groceries, and there they were as well. So I wasn't able to do the grocery haul right then and there. It's been about 2.5 hours. So now the second set of the groceries or second delivery is going to be here in the next like 30 minutes. So it might come while we're doing this one. So that would be awesome. Okay, so here is what I got and kind of my plans for it. Actually, this is slightly crooked. Let me fix that. Now it's crooked the other way. Close enough, we're just gonna roll with it. Okay, so eggs, because you need eggs for everything, and I'm thinking breakfast. So I also got bell peppers and onions, so I can kind of make some like a veggie scramble type of situation. Also got some spinach for that. I got 2 things of spinach because I have multiple plans for my spinach. I also got pepper and green onion. I also got like cut up and frozen. So once I use that, if I want some later on, I will have some on hand. I thought that was really cool. I've never seen that. And then also for breakfast, I got like breakfast potatoes with also onions and peppers. Clearly I'm feeling that. And then they're kind of like tater tots, but they're like flat, almost like, I think it's Burger King that does that for the breakfast potatoes. So I wanted tater tots, they didn't have it, but basically the same thing, just different shape. I want to make breakfast burritos, moral of the story. I already have tortillas and cheese, got some sour cream, and that's the plan for that stuff. I got some zoodles because I don't know if you guys remember or if you saw my last grocery haul. I like to do this like shrimp and zoodle recipe situation, really good. So that's what that's for. Potatoes, because in my second grocery haul situation, I have some meat in there that I'm gonna make with that. Got some mushrooms, don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. Might throw them in with the eggs, maybe make an omelet. I got arugula and lettuce because I want to use both of these to make a salad. And for that, I also got feta cheese. I already have salad dressing and I'm gonna use tomatoes from our garden. And then, let's see, I got 3 different types of salami. I got uncured hard salami, Genoa, I don't know how you pronounce that, but I love this type of salami. And then also Italian dry. Darren loves salami, and I noticed that he was running low, so I got him a variety because he likes to go through different ones. And then also for breakfast, English muffins. Might make grilled cheese with it. Might make egg benny. We don't know, we'll find out. And then I got broccoli. I had big plans for this broccoli and I can't remember it. So TBD on that. Love snacks. They were out of my salt and vinegar chips. So I also like this. So this is what we're gonna have. And then, I hope I got it my second grocery thing. I make a juice. It's one of the recipes from when I worked at Jamba. It's apple juice, spinach. Oh, I also got chia seeds, so I had to put everything away when the cleaning people were here, so I'm trying to remember what I got. Chia seeds and then pineapple. and I don't see pineapple here. So I really hope I threw pineapple in the cart for what's on its way here, because otherwise I have to go to the grocery store, which was the whole point of doing this, so I didn't have to. Okay, well that's basically my plans for this, and I will bring you guys back once that second delivery comes. Okay, actually last thing I forgot from this delivery, avocados. And oh, actually other thing I forgot was also a flat of water that I again put away. So avocados, flat of water, and then that concludes delivery number 1. Well, 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 would you look at that? Second delivery of food has arrived, but I'm starving because it's like 3 o'clock and I haven't eaten. So here's what I'm making for lunch. So there's lettuce, arugula, cherry tomatoes, avocado, feta cheese, and this is my favorite salad dressing in the whole wide world. El Torito, green cilantro Caesar. It is bomb diggity. So I'm gonna take a few bites of this and then we will get started on this grocery haul. All right, and we're back with round 2. Sorry the dishwasher is going, if you can hear that. But we're ready to get into it. So I've already taken everything out of the bags to make it just easier to show you what's going on. So heavy whipping cream. This is for the shrimp zoodles that I'm making. And then, let's see, I decided that I want to make some veggie lasagna. So I got lasagna noodles. I got Prego traditional tomato sauce, which is my favorite. I got shredded mozzarella, ricotta cheese, ricotta, however you want to say it. And then that's what the broccoli and mushrooms are for. There was like this brand's called like Angelo's or something, and they're like these like frozen veggie lasagnas, and I really like them, so I want to try to make my own. So that's what that's for. These are 2 cuts of steak for the pups to add into their food. And then we got 3 things of turkey bacon, because usually we'll add turkey bacon in their food too to add a little bit of a crunch, because they really like that. And then we found out that apparently dogs are not supposed to be having 100% diet of meat, and actually later on in life it can cause them to have seizures and such. So we're trying to add in some different things. So got some brown rice, some sweet potatoes, carrots, a few different things of mixed veggies. So this one has carrots, corn, green beans, and green peas. Peas and carrots, another peas and carrots, so that we can add it into their meals. Did get an extra thing of spinach in case we want to add some spinach into it. Some other green beans. This one I wasn't sure if we were going to eat or if we were going to put it in the pups' food, so I just got it a separate package of it. And then asparagus. I don't know if we're going to eat it, but we could also add it to the pups' food if it doesn't end up working out with any of our meals. So that's what we're going to do with this. This is some Butterball turkey sausage. So us pups, I don't know, we'll find out. And then some Jimmy Dean sausage, because why not, delish. And then 2 things of ground turkey, the Jenny O ground turkey, also for the pups. And then Darren has been on an edamame just hype. I don't know, he's been really liking it. So I got 2 more packages of it because he's running low. And then whenever we get Indian food, one of his favorite things is okra, and we've never been able to find it in a grocery store. So I found it on the Amazon thing, so I bought it to surprise him, and I think he's gonna be really excited because literally I've never seen this in the store. So I don't know what he's gonna do with it, but I'm hoping he's gonna be excited to see that. And then I got Brussels sprouts because I need more green in my life. And it sounds kind of good, so I'm gonna do some roasted Brussels sprouts. And then he's running a little low on creamer as well. He does like the Starbucks like cinnamon dolce or something. They didn't have that, but I found a cinnamon vanilla. So I'm hoping that that will still be good. And then he's not a big fan of water bottles, but he loves Propel. So they only had 1 flavor, but he does like berry. So I just got 2 packs of them. He likes to take them when he goes and like works out or goes on walks and stuff. And he does have some hint waters left, but he really does like Propel. So got him some of those. And after looking at everything, I am missing my pineapple. So sometime this week, I have to go to the grocery store to get my pineapple so I can make my juice, which I got everything else for. So that's a joy. 2 separate grocery orders, and I still forgot the freaking pineapple. Fail. Oh well. So we have enough food for the next like 2 weeks, so very excited about that. And hopefully this gave you some ideas of things that you guys might want or like. In my last grocery haul, I listed all of my favorite recipes. So if you guys are interested in any of the things I mentioned, basically they're all already there because these are regular recipes that I make. But if I make anything new, I will link it in this video. Thank you guys so much for joining me for my grocery haul. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe below and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.
Talk to me, baby.